It's time for the second beginner's activity while meditating. And now we will start actually doing something. But still not difficult. Still pretty much sitting still. You see, we need to really take it step by step. Tiny, tiny steps. Because our minds are so fleeting and they grab on to everything that happens in them so easily and they get distracted like that all the time. Every minute you're distracted 1,000,000 times. And so if we move too fast forward, there's a chance that if you're truly a beginner, you will get overwhelmed. So in order to make this course as valuable as possible, I need to take tiny, tiny increments in the correct direction. And so what I want you to do now is to make a cup of tea or a coffee or a cocoa, something to drink. And there's something about hot drink. It's calming in a way. So I recommend making something hot, and probably rather tea than coffee, since coffee is a caffeine boost, so it might not, work as well if you're trying to meditate unless you're used to meditating. But your choice. So you make your coffee or your tea, your hot beverage, and then you go and sit back in your chair. We're not going to leave the chair yet. And then as you sit down with a steaming hot cup in front of you, I want you to begin your mantra. And as the session goes, I want you to sit there and drink and just be in the moment as you drink and keep the mantra going. And you can alternate a little, so when you pick up the cup, you can tell yourself, I'm picking up the cup. I'm taking a sip. But don't get too descriptive with that language. It's because it's very easy that turns into I'm taking a sip. It tastes good. Or I should have put more sugar in. Or whatever, there might come a barrage of different thoughts just because you say that. So you have to kind of find out for yourself what works or not. But it's best if you only hold the mantra and you just sit there and you are aware that you're moving your hands, that you're drinking, you feel the liquid hotness going down, and you put it back and you sit and you watch the things in your room. Work on ignoring the reflex thoughts. They will pop up all the time in the beginning. So you drink your beverage, you watch the objects, and you just sit there, keep your mantra going, but you're getting slowly a little bit more active. Okay? So I want you to do this for 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 15 minutes. Or if you want, if you're starting to maybe get the hang of this now, you can just finish your entire beverage, right? That would be the most optimal meditation session. You make a cup of tea, you sit down, and while drinking the entire cup, or as much as you want, you're just meditating. You're just being silent. So do that, and I'll see you again at the next lesson. Good luck.